As a homeowner in Tampa, you understand the importance of keeping your home comfortable and energy efficient. With the hot Florida climate, ensuring your home is properly insulated and weatherproofed is essential for maintaining an optimal indoor environment. One of the key elements in your home's efficiency is your windows. Over time, windows can wear down or become damaged, compromising their performance. If you're noticing any of the following signs, it may be time to consider replacing your windows in Tampa. Drafts and temperature fluctuation. Tampa's weather can range from sweltering heat to sudden rainstorms. If you feel drafts near your windows or experience uneven temperatures inside your home, your windows might not be sealing properly anymore. Windows that no longer seal correctly allow warm air to enter in the summer and cold air in the winter. This can lead to higher energy bills as your HVAC system works overtime to maintain your home's temperature. Replacing windows with modern, energy-efficient models can help maintain a consistent temperature inside your home and reduce the strain on your cooling system. Increased energy bill. Speaking of energy bills, if you've noticed a significant increase over the past few months or years, your windows could be contributing to the problem. Older windows or those with damaged seals allow air to escape, which forces your air conditioning system to work harder to maintain your desired indoor temperature. If your energy bills have risen unexpectedly, it's a good idea to inspect your windows for any signs of damage or deterioration. Replacing old windows with energy-efficient ones will provide long-term savings by improving your home's insulation. Difficulty opening and closing windows. Windows should open and close smoothly without much effort. If you're struggling to open or close your windows, or if they feel stuck or warped, it could be a sign that the frames or hardware are deteriorating. This could also be an issue with the sealant around the window, which can lead to drafts or moisture infiltration. If your windows are difficult to operate, it's a good indicator that it's time for a replacement. Modern windows come with easy-to-operate mechanisms and advanced features that can improve both functionality and security. Visible condensation between glass pane. One of the most common signs that your windows need replacing is the appearance of condensation or fog between the panes of glass. This typically indicates a broken or damaged seal in a double or triple pane window. When the seal is compromised, moisture can enter the space between the glass, leading to condensation that can't be wiped away. This can impair your visibility and the overall aesthetics of your windows. If this is a recurring problem, it's time to replace the window to restore clarity and improve insulation. Exterior damage or warping. Tampa's humid climate can take a toll on your windows, particularly wooden frames. Excess moisture can cause wood to warp, rot, or crack. If you notice visible damage to your window frames, sills, or surrounding areas, it could be time to replace your windows. Not only does this prevent further deterioration, but replacing damaged windows also enhances your home's curb appeal. Windows are a significant visual element of your home, and installing new ones can give your home a fresh, updated look. Noise pollution. Tampa can be a bustling city, with traffic and other external noises making their way into your home. If you're noticing that outside noise, such as traffic, neighbors, or loud storms, is entering your home more than before, it could be a sign that your windows are no longer providing adequate sound insulation. Modern windows are designed to reduce noise, especially those with double or triple glazing. If peace and quiet are important to you, upgrading your windows will help to reduce the amount of external noise that enters your home. Age of your windows. Lastly, the age of your windows plays a big role in their performance. Most windows last around 20-30 years before they start to show signs of wear. If your windows are older than this, it's likely that they're no longer as effective as they once were. Even if they appear to be in good shape, their efficiency might have decreased over time, making them more prone to issues like drafts, condensation, and energy loss. Replacing old windows is a smart investment in the long-term comfort and energy efficiency of your home. Final thought. If you've noticed any of the signs mentioned above, it's time to consider replacing your windows. Not only will this enhance the comfort of your home, but it can also improve energy efficiency, reduce noise, and increase the overall value of your property. If you're in Tampa, make sure to consult with a trusted window replacement specialist who understands the local climate and can recommend the best window solutions for your home.